Another question in a day. Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer this. Is it just me, or have the Google Ads employees calling us to help improve our campaign become ridiculously unprepared? The last 4 to 5 such reps have provided literally garbage advice to the point where I asked them to stop calling us, just wondering if anyone else felt the same way. Okay, so here I'm going to answer. Basically, in my own experience, I have a mixed feelings. I got positive reps and I got negative reps as well. Worked with a dedicated manager. I have experienced different things. So in my opinion, there are certain scenarios where I also felt that the guy was not helping. Basically what they do is they are more trained to optimize according to the Google suggestions. You may have seen Google suggestions coming on your Google campaigns, and they are actually work to implement those suggestions. They emphasize, they focus, they insist you to implement these suggestions. It's going to increase your account score, it's going to increase your conversions, you are going to go at more value. So I believe that they are more theoretical than practical. So I do suggest you to listen to them, hear with them, discuss with them. Maybe you get a new point, but it is not always necessary to implement those what they suggest. So listen, but don't implement. If you like it, only then implement. Otherwise, just ignore it. There is no harm in this. You can just simply follow this strategy, and you can help this with a Google campaign. Sometimes you might don't know, and they provide you with a good advice, and you may right at that time don't think about it, but later on that advice come into your mind, and you can eventually thinking of something new based on that advice, and that can be a good perspective of that advice, which ultimately generated you to take a decision which actually going to benefit your campaign. So there is no harm in that. There is no harm in discussion, but only go with what you think is going to be good for your account and campaign, because you are the one who is going to pay for your campaign, not the Google app. So it's always a good idea to listen up, but don't implement, because it's all again up to your personal preference, and even they can understand this as well. They just ask them that give me an advice. If I like it, I will act it. Otherwise, I will ignore. There is no harm in it. So I hope this answers your question, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.